Want to build explosive power, strength, and endurance like one of the greatest boxers of all time? Mike Tyson wasn't just born with his legendary punching power, he trained for it. And one of his secret weapons was a unique push-up variation that's now taking the fitness world by storm. Today, I'm breaking down the Mike Tyson Push-Up, what it is, why it works, and how you can use it to transform your strength and conditioning. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only learn how to do it, but also understand the science behind it and how to avoid common mistakes. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We dive deep into the best fitness and health hacks to help you perform at your peak. What is the Mike Tyson Push-Up? The Mike Tyson Push-Up is a variation of the rocking push-up, but with a twist. Your feet are placed firmly against a wall. This small change creates a unique biomechanical challenge that engages more muscles than a traditional push-up. Here's why it's so effective. Full body engagement. It targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, quads, and even your glutes. Explosive power. The rocking motion adds a plyometric element, helping you build speed and strength. Improved mobility. The movement stretches your lats, lower back, and hips, making it a great mobility exercise too. But what makes it truly special is how it mimics the peekaboo boxing stance that Tyson used to dominate his opponents. It's not just a push-up, it's a fighter's exercise. The science behind the Mike Tyson push-up. Let's talk about why this push-up works so well. Increased muscle recruitment. The rocking motion forces your body to stabilize, engaging muscles like your lats, hip flexors, and even your hamstrings. Momentum and load. As you rock forward, you temporarily increase the load on your upper body, making it harder than a standard push-up. Functional strength. The movement mimics real-life actions like punching or pushing, making it a functional fitness powerhouse. Studies show that exercises like this can improve strength, endurance, explosive power, and even calorie burn. It's no wonder Tyson used it to stay in peak fighting shape. How to perform the Mike Tyson push-up. Ready to try it? Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up. Get into a push-up position with your feet flat against a wall. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width, elbows at a 45-degree angle. Rock back. Push up and rock back simultaneously, folding your hips and knees while extending your arms overhead. Rock forward. Push off the wall with your feet and rock forward into the starting position. Pro tips: keep your core tight and your back flat. Don't let your feet peel away from the wall. Start slow and focus on form before adding speed or reps. If this feels too hard, you can regress by keeping your knees on the ground or performing it on an incline. For advanced athletes, try adding a weighted vest or elevating your hands and feet for a deficit push-up. Common mistakes to avoid. Even the best exercises can go wrong if you're not careful. Here's what to watch out for. Arching your back. This puts unnecessary pressure on your spine. Keep your core engaged. Losing contact with the wall. Your feet should stay flat against the wall throughout the movement. Rushing the movement. Focus on control and form, not speed. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll get the most out of this exercise. Programming the Mike Tyson push-up. Here's how to incorporate this push-up into your routine. For strength, do 3-4 sets of 8, 12 reps, resting 60, 90 seconds between sets. For conditioning, add it to a circuit with other bodyweight exercises like squats and burpees. For explosiveness, perform it in short, fast bursts of 5, 10 reps. Whether you're a fighter, athlete, or just someone looking to level up their fitness, this push-up is a game changer. So are you ready to try the Mike Tyson push-up? Let me know in the comments how it goes, or if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Healthfuse for more science-backed fitness tips. Remember, greatness isn't born, it's built. Keep moving, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.